The first one down there by the engine is not open. Please do not get on or else I have to kick you off. Sorry, ain't got enough people here. Now, when I open up your gates, you can board onto a silver platform to get on these cars. Do not board on the stairs like this one right here. It's not safe. And I have one last piece of advice. I'm only going to say this twice. The best side is the left side. Again, the best side is the left side. With all of that said, welcome aboard the Rockline Scenic Rail.
Attention ladies and gentlemen, in and around the marketplace and train depot, this is the 5-minute boarding call for the 240 train. Once again, this is the 5-minute boarding call. If you would like to join us on this departure around beautiful Stone Mountain, head on down from the train depot with either a single attraction ticket, all attraction passenger stand, or a mountain membership card. Please know that this train makes one continuous trip around the mountain. It does not stop, so welcome back. That will include jokes in this place. We'll be leaving the station here in 5 minutes. All aboard.
Honest John. Dili na mo ka-obstruct kid, oh. Oh, kita.
Dili na to mo. Kung buntag ito, bili ko sila.
This is the final boarding call. Again, this is the final boarding call for the 240 train. If you would like to, unfortunately, if you have not made it down to the loading platform at this time, You have missed this train, but do not worry, because we will have another train to leave
Baho
the
kay
station
Unam.
at 3:20. Please know this train makes a continuous trip around the mountain, and it does not stop at the walk-up trail. Once again, this train does not stop at the walk-up trail. All aboard.
May mangka kay nakatuwa.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was our final boarding call. That means exactly what you're thinking. It's time for us to go. Now, start doing my last-minute safety checks. I just want to once again say that that first car right there by the engine is not open. I can't see if there's anyone on there right now, but if there is anybody on that first car right there beside the engine, I need you to get off and head to any of our other cars that are open. Once again, if you're on and just like that, we're right on track. Alright, I'll give that another try. Just like that, we're right on track. Get it? Because it's a train. Oh, so you weren't prepared for that one. Well, you better get prepared because that's what my tour is filled with. I got some corny jokes, a little bit of information, but it's a whole lot of fun. Now, before we get started, I'm going to reintroduce myself for those who have joined us a few minutes later. Hi guys, my name is Justin. I'm all the way here in the very back of the train. I am going to be your tour guide on today's trip around beautiful Stone Mountain. Now before we get too far down the line, I have to go over everyone's favorite part. That's right, it's the safety rules. Don't worry, I'll make them quick for you. Rule number 1, please remain seated while the train is in motion. Rule number 2, please keep all arms, heads, hands, lips, hips, and fingertips inside the train at all times. This also includes personal items such as phones, cameras, backpacks, laptops, and children. Parents, please do not lion-take your child out the window. Not only is this dangerous, but it does look tacky. Also, just so you know, if you drop in or throw anything from the train, it will be gone forever. We will not stop for it, so bye-bye, phone, camera, hat, whatever falls. We're not allowed to stop. Now, rule number 3, for the health, comfort, and safety of everyone on board, smoking in any form is not allowed. If you will all do me a favor, look to the back of your train car. You're going to see a nice big red fire extinguisher, much like the one I'm holding here for car number 5. If I see you smoking, I'm going to tell all of that just by looking at the train. What you couldn't tell, however, is the exact weight of my train in tons without passengers. That is that engine up there, the caboose, and 5 empty train cars. Folks, that number is pretty big. That is 350 tons. Yes, folks, our train weighs 350 tons. This equals to 51 full-grown elephants for my mother-in-law last night. So I can't complain. It's great. Alright, folks, now going back to the train. Just like elephants, we're going a little slow right now. We're only doing about 6.3 miles per hour. But we could take. If you want to ride roller coasters, then unfortunately you have come to the wrong place. But you're more than welcome to go to Dollywood. By the way, take your mountain membership, get half off the tickets. Alright, y'all, we're actually coming up to the infamous walk-up trail as we pass through here. Let's make sure we wave to all the brave hikers who are out here enduring this Georgia heat, hiking the mountain. If you see them coming down, say congratulations, you did it! Go celebrate your workout with some King of Pops that are here on the right side. If they're on the right side of the tracks getting ready to go up, you want to wave to them and say good luck and stay hydrated. Very hot today. Don't want anyone getting hurt, so drink plenty of water. At the top, they got every flavor of power. Give or take a few minutes. That's why I like the other way we have. It's the Sky Ride. Our Sky Ride can hold 60 people per car, and it takes just 3 minutes to get you to the top of the mountain. I promise y'all it's not as bad as it sounds. It's really safe. It's just a car hanging from a wire. We check it every day. Now, changing gears up, let's talk a little bit about our mountain. I've actually got a question for everyone. It's true or false? Everyone can participate. True or false? Stone Mountain is a mountain. If you say that's true, raise your hands. You're saying for sure it is a mountain. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, okay, more hands are going up as I count. Okay. If you're saying it's false, raise your hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Banana, 2, 2, 2. Banana, 2, 2, 2. Banana, 2, 2, 2. Told you it was more fun. I think a few of you got that reference right. For those of you who didn't get it, just Google the Muppets and Google, or you can Google phenomena. Literally phenomena. Magma is right. Well, for those who need a refresher, magma is just lava that has not reached the Earth's surface yet. So with that said, I've got a story for y'all. Listen up.
Once upon a time, thousands of years ago, in small here to your left was magma. This
Alright folks, I'm gonna let you all in on a little secret. I'm sure we know Stone Mountain has its main top of the mountain, carving made by nature, yeah. Oh come on y'all, that's the top of the mountain. We're just a stone's throw away.
No, I don't think.
Now, as we pull into Pebble Ridge, I want to talk about this building up on the right. It's got it's the big stone building with the garage door open. This is currently the train shop. It houses the 2 other engines we run. But if you look as we pass by, you'll see bars on the windows. That is because this was a jail when the quarry was active. Now these newer buildings to our left, these are for the shows that we run during the year. There's not going to be a show today, so we are not going to stop. But if you do see someone out here, make sure you wave at them. They are rehearsing for the new Alf and Ralph Improv Show, which will be starting here on June 8th. So make sure you come back and see us. Wow, they actually have a lot of people in there. I can tell because the parking lot is full. I've never seen the parking lot full, folks. Now, this little stone house that we've been passing for a little bit, this is the quarry foreman's house. This is where the person in charge of the quarry used to live. He would also hold some pretty important safety meetings here. Now, speaking of the quarry, that just so happens to be next up on our list of things to see around the mountain today. The quarry is a pretty fun place to go to, folks. If you want to learn more about how they would blast the granite from the mountain and how much granite was taken from Stone Mountain, you can head over there to the quarry. We're going to go right by the entrance, that way you can see where the entrance of our quarry exhibit is, but some of you may not like it. By a show of hands, who is afraid of heights? Okay. I got one person. Well, let this be your official warning that we're going on a bridge. Yep. Going on a bridge, but don't worry about it. Now that I've said the bridge is the entrance to our quarry exhibit, I will let each train car know when you're on the bridge, that way you can have a good look around. If you're on the left-hand side of my train, when I tell you your car is there, I want you to look down to the left, because you'll see some big stone blocks with writing on them. Those are very detailed locations of where Stone Mountain granite is found all around the world. Now the quarry exhibit is free to everyone in the park. There's